Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, then please download the GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. And also I would like to recommend you that if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions especially crafted for the UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in a static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. And this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss about 10 to 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography. So the first question is, what is the name of the mountain range in Central Asia where Russia, China, Mongolia and Kazakhstan come together? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Altai Mountains. So the Altai Mountains are the one in Central Asia where Russia, China, Mongolia and Kazakhstan come together, and they are also known as Onion Range. Now the next question is, at which among the following the quicksand will be found? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is riverbanks, near lakes or in marshes. See, the quicksand is a colloid which consists of fine granular materials like sand, silt, clay and water. The quicksand formed in saturated loose sand. When water in the sand cannot escape, it creates a liquefied soil that loses strength and cannot support weight. Now the next question is, in which country Black Hill, Blue Hill and Green Hill mountains are located? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is USA. So the Black Hill, Blue Hill and Green Hill mountains are located in USA and they are chain of mountains. Now the next question is, broad lower course of river that is encroached on by the sea and affected by the tides is also known as which among the following? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is estuary. So the broad lower course of a river that is encroached on by the sea and affected by the tides is also known as estuary. An estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or streams flowing into it, and with a free connection to the open sea. Now the next question is, what is the study of landforms called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is geomorphology. So the landforms are a result of the interaction of the physical processes and crustal movements of Earth's surface, and the study of landforms is called as geomorphology. Now the next question is, which among the following is not a landform of second order? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is river valley. So the large landforms on continents and oceans like mountains, plateaus and continental slopes, submarine ridges, etc. are called as landforms of second order, whereas river valley is a landform of third order. Now the next question is, splash erosion is related to which among the following? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is raindrops. See, the impact of raindrops on soil leads to splash erosion and it leads to loosening of the soil. Now the next question is, what type of a landform is a plunge hole? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is erosion landform of river. Or plunge holes are erosional landforms made by the river, and plunge pools form at the bottom of the waterfall. Now the next question is, what kind of a landform is a stone lattice? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is erosional landform by wind. See, the differential erosion occurs in the desert areas where there is a sparse vegetation, and this creates hollows small in size and randomly distributed. This feature is called stone lattice and it is an erosional feature of the wind. Now the next question is, on which among the following does the erosional capacity of the river stream depend on? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C. That is both 1 and 2 are correct. See, the erosional capacity of the stream mainly depends on its volume and density, and it is these factors which decide the erosion, transportation and deposition activity by the stream.